How to update Uber Eats app. If you have been using the Uber Eats application and wondering on how to update the app, don't worry, in this video I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open your app store on your mobile phone, just like this. Then simply tap onto the search bar and type Uber Eats, just like this, and open the Uber Eats application, just like this. Now to update the app, simply tap onto the update version instead of the open right here, and simply tap onto update and wait for a few minutes and your app will be updated. So you can only update your app if there is the update version instead of the open button right here. And that's it. This is how you can update Uber Eats app. It is a very easy process, right? Now you will simply get new features after updating the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.